Yo, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Jeremy Cash back with another valuable video for you. 2019 is your year to make some money, so I want to continue to help you guys. All right, so I have made a video about this before, but I just want to show you guys an example of how you can make a lot of money just by selling free t-shirts, guys. So if you go to teespring.com, you sign up, you can go down here, sell apparel, jackets, long sleeves, hoodie, socks, phone cases, bags, all of that. All this stuff is free, guys. Free money, right? So I want to give you guys a perfect example of somebody who actually uses, what I didn't teach them because I don't even know these people, but I'm just saying they're using the strategy that I talk about. And so what they did was, I'm pretty sure y'all saw these on Facebook, right? These freaking Martin jackets, they're dope, right? They're dope. This little boutique, right? They got the Martin logo with the 1992 to 1997, bunch of different colors, right? But look at the engagement, guys. 29,000 likes, 5.6K comments, 8.4K shares. And then guess what they have right there? Their link to get the jackets. Alright, so I'm pretty sure they made a few $1,000s, because if you click on the comment section, guys, let's see if it shows me. Let's click on this comment section. There's a few people down here that are going to show you that they actually bought their jackets. Peep that. Check that out. That's one. Another person, guys. They're winning. They're winning. They're using these strategies, guys. I've been saying it for years. What have I been saying? Copy successful people, right? And you'll be successful. Another person, guys. You can just keep going. Somebody else, man. Like, if you continue to copy successful people who's already doing it, watch what they do, watch their moves, and copy it. It's that simple. You know what I'm saying? You don't always have to be the person to do it first. If it's working for them, it'll work for you, right? These jackets are very dope, right? So, let's go to Google. Let's show you what they did, right? I'll type in Martin logo. As you already see, I typed it in to make sure it was there. I type in Martin logo, go to images, and what do you see? The Martin logo, the PNG logo. This, if you type in Martin logo PNG, right? The PNG is for a transparent background. So you can place this on top of anything, right? So let me save this image, right? This is all they do, guys. It's very, very simple. So I can go over here to, let's just say I wanted to do a sweatshirt, right? Let's say I wanted to do a pullover sweatshirt. It don't matter, right? We want to sell it. We don't want to buy it, right? We want to add an image, and we want to go here to downloads, and let me see if I can find it, guys. Martin, right there. Bingo. So I open, right? As you can see, there's the logo. We can make it as big as we want. We can move it around. Boom. Now, if I go to text, right? If I add a text, I could do the same thing that they just did, right? If I could figure out how to work the text, bro. Yeah, so we could do the same thing, 1992 through 1997. Wait, the 7. We can make that smaller. We could put that right there. And now we got ourselves a Martin hoodie, guys. And we can sell it. Easy. You see how easy this stuff is, guys? Open up your little store online. If you don't know how to do that, I showed you guys how you can do that using Wix or Weebly. They already have preset stores set up. You just got to add your little products in there, guys. And this is just basic, you know what I'm saying? And you can, set your price on how much you want to sell it for. You sell it for $38, you make $19 in profit. Things like that. You can have multiple images. You can actually turn it on the back, put some on the back of it. For the most part, we're just going to focus on the front right now. You can actually preview it as well. I believe you could change the colors. So if you wanted a red hoodie, that's dope. That's super dope. I actually like that. I would do that, right? Boom. That's all they did right here. Like, look. Then they did the damn Gina shirts straight off Martin. If you type in that, you'll find the same thing, guys. Shirts is dope, and people are selling them. They're selling them, guys. So, DM me for invoices and all that. Your stuff goes viral. You make a lot of money off of something that's not even really yours. I mean, they're making a lot of money. They got the, you know, the little you know, signatures and all that stuff, man. And it's dope, guys. Just to give you guys an idea. So this is the kind of stuff that you can do. You know, make women and men's apparel. And this is just one example, guys. So, you know, this video is going to be uploaded, you know, probably on the 18th or 19th. So, you know, the whole Soulja Boy thing, you know, with the Drake, you know, I don't know if y'all seen the Soulja Boy Breakfast Club interview, but little stuff like that, you can make that into a shirt. You can make, you know, when the Bird Box thing was popping, you could have put that on the shirt. You could have just did anything, guys. You got to use your brain. You could do Fresh Prints. I haven't really seen nobody do Fresh Prints. That's a good idea. You could do Fresh Prints, you know, add some cutouts of Will, Jazzy J, and put, you know, Fresh Prints or something dope on a shirt or a hoodie or a jacket, and then sell it, guys. Right? It's not rocket science. You know what I'm saying? So please remove all images with low quality. So, yeah, so you gotta make sure your you know, stuff has, you know, high quality too. Wait, I'm trying to click this and make it a little smaller so it's in the regions and all that, cause they be tripping. You know, your stuff gotta be in the regions and smaller and all that good stuff. I don't know if it's gonna let me save, but yeah, it ain't gonna let me save right now because it's something I gotta do. But y'all get the point, right? Y'all can do this all day. You could do this 10 times over. Make all different colors, you know what I'm saying? Let's say you wanted to do black, right? Black on black. That looks ashy black, so I wouldn't do that. So let's say blue. Blue looks pretty cool. Orange looks dope. You know what I'm saying? Because like right here, he got the orange jacket. Boom. That's all they did, y'all. That's it. It's dope. Easy. You know what I'm saying? You could do the same stuff. So, like I said, copy successful people, guys, and you'll be successful, man. That's what it just, with anything, with their marketing, you know, study their websites, study how they make their videos, and sky's the limit 2019 for y'all, man. Hopefully this sparked the idea of what you could do. With so many shows out there, so many TV shows, so much dope stuff that you can do with these shirts and hoodies. It's sky's the limit, literally, and I'm pretty sure y'all got better ideas than I do, but I just saw that ad and I was like, bro, that's all they do. Like, it's dope. You know what I'm saying? And I could do the same thing. So, you know, why not? You could put something right here on the pocket, your own personal name or custom names, and, you know, just get creative with it. You know, go sell it, make some money all online, run an ad to a Facebook ad to it, and your pockets is going to be looking lovely. You know, make sure you pay your taxes and all that good old stuff. But other than that, man, if you like this video, comment on the video. If you got any questions or concerns, let me know, man. I'm here to help. And other than that, I am out. Peace.